Hi everyone, welcome back. We are in second semester and it is a clean start for everyone. So if you didn't like how first semester ended, you get a brand new slate for second semester. So let's look here and see what we're doing for this week. We are starting the Agriculture and the Industrial Revolution, so we are starting a new unit and we're going to spend about 2 weeks on it. As always, we have our today's video and our Google Meet link right here. Same rules as first semester, same bell schedule as first semester. And this week for Wednesday, I'm going to give you a work day because you do have your first set of terms and questions due by the end of school on Wednesday. So I'm going to give you that time to wrap everything up and get it turned in. Something that's going to be a little different this semester. So assignments will time out, just like some of our online assessments and practice quizzes. So this will time out. You have until 2:45 on Wednesday to get your first set of terms and questions turned in. And then after that, it will lock, and then you'll have to email me if you are late. On Wednesday, I will remain live with the Google Meet, but it's only if you need help, so you can venture in and talk to me if you have any questions. So here's our weekly schedule. Monday, you guys didn't have to come to school. Tuesday, today, we are going to look at what we're doing second semester. I do need some volunteers for this particular unit because I do have some little scenarios and stories that I intertwine within the notes, and it's kind of fun to incorporate students. So I need volunteers to be kind of my role play people for this unit. And then I'm going to let you guys go and start working on your 10-1. Again, Wednesday is a work day, so you only have to venture into the Google Meet on Wednesday if you need help, if you have any questions. Thursday and Friday will be lectures, so we are going to have notes on those days. And also note that you have homework over the weekend, and that will be the second set of terms and questions. So that will be the rest of 10-1 and then a portion of 11-2. So you'll need to pay attention to the reading pages that's on the pictures for your terms and questions. Materials needed: online textbook, hard copy of your textbook. So I don't care which version you use. Hard copy has the page numbers. Online, you'll just look for the chapter and the section. So here's the terms and questions for our first batch, 10-1. Here are all of our terms and our questions. So this is actually having us look at the agricultural revolution and then leading into the industrial revolution. As always, we have a link to help you with your terms, and that's to our Quizlet. So that link's right there. The guided notes PDF will be located at the bottom. So I am going to have a PowerPoint, and some portions of that PowerPoint lecture you're going to have to fill in on the notes. So you'll want to either put that in Kami or print it off, whichever you want, but eventually it will need to find its way into your spiral. And again, we're going to do that Thursday and Friday. And then your homework for the weekend is the next set of terms and questions, which will cover the rest of 10-1 and a portion of 11-2, and tells you right there the page numbers, terms, and our questions. This second set's not a long one, but you want to get it taken care of. And then there's the link to that Quizlet. Due dates. You have 2 due dates for this week's lessons. So the first one will be Wednesday, January 6th by 2:45. Again, it will lock, so you will not be able to turn it in after 2:45. And then you will have to email me and then receive the deduction for it being late. Same for the next batch, which is due on Monday, January 11th by 2:45. Same thing. You'll need to turn it in by 2:45 on Monday, or it locks, and then you have to email me the late work. I did include a reading in here that I had found in one of my resources, and it's How Potatoes Conquered the World. So it's a very interesting story on the introduction of potatoes into our agricultural system that eventually ended up on our plate. And you'll be surprised at when they first started to serve mashed potatoes, which took quite some time before people figured out, hey, let's mash those bad boys and put some butter and milk and make a tasty little side dish on our table. All right, so I am looking forward to seeing you guys, and see you on Tuesday. Bye.